hello there, it is me, it is Sanjay. I'm still here at Worthing Fair. I told you I'd film a bit of the rides actually in action now, so you can see this one called the Crazy Frog. I'm going to have a go on this one in a minute. This one just bounces you up and down all over the place. And over there you've got the parachute umbrella things and the big wheel thing over there, as I said before. So yeah, enjoy it people, have fun, thank you for watching. For those of you who subscribe, thank you. For those of you who haven't, it's very naughty, it's free, and it's at SansTheMan16. Thank you, bye bye.